How to fix the image dimension is smaller than the minimum supported of 1024 into 576 pixel. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar. Now type photo and image resizer app. Now click on search when you are done. Now tap on this application and install it. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on select photos. Now choose your photo. Now click on open. Now tap on resize. Now tap on more. Now scroll down. Now select 1024 into 1820. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up YouTube. Again tap on your profile. Tap on view channel and tap on the pencil icon. Now tap on the image and tap on choose from your photos. Now select the picture. Now click on save when you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.